Welcome back to 5 Minute Knives, the channel that's thinking about coming out with its own line of knives within the next 3 to 6 months or so, probably fixed blades. Today, we're going to get into a box of knives that was sent in by Josh Fields, and we're just going to take a look at what he sent in for review, which was very nice of him. I could probably split this stuff up into multiple reviews. I figured I'd just make one though and get right to it. I have other stuff I want to talk to you guys about soon. Plus I have some other items I have to shoot for other companies as well. So we're going to get into it. But first, let's pay a bill. And we're back. Okay. Hopefully we sold some sheaths. We're going to check out these knives sent in by an awesome subscriber and friend, Josh Fields. Check out his YouTube channel, Josh's Life. I think you'd like it. Very straightforward reviews. Sorry, bud, I haven't really been keeping up lately. I got to sit down and watch a bunch. I've kind of been running around with my own stuff here. Anyway, Josh went ahead and sent in specs for each knife. Very nice. And I thought that was like really cool of him, where he got it, how much it was, stuff like that. I think that's great. So anyway, this first one is a Macerin Cutlery Plow Sod Buster D2 drop point blade bleached canvas micarta handles. Yeah. Look at that. It's actually really nice. And I believe he said to give this one away. I may give this one away to you guys. I don't know. Let me verify that this was the giveaway. I'm pretty sure it is. But there's the blade on it. D2 steel. Bleached canvas micarta handles. Steel liners. And heel. So, this thing was like 51 bucks. Where'd he get it? CollectorKnives.net. Steel 60 to 61 Rockwell. Is the Rockwell, and I believe that's the giveaway. It's really nice in the hand, actually. This is great. Medium, large hands here. There you go. So very, very nice, just like a nail nick for opening. And it stops about halfway, right here. And then boom. So I think that's pretty neat. That may be the giveaway, I'm pretty sure. Next up was the Hogue Deca tumbled clip point with black G10. Now, the reason he sent these in, I believe, was because I recently made a video saying that my EDC knife, my Endure 4, was stolen out of a hotel, and I panicked, and I got this Para 2 in crew wear, purple G10, because I really couldn't think of what else to get on short notice. So people made suggestions. Josh, I believe, sent these in the spirit of, EDC options. So this knife went for about $157 on Smoky Mountain Knife Works whenever he bought it. And this has CPM 20 CV stainless steel blade. Okay. Clip point. Stone tumble finish. Thumb stud opening. Able lock here. Pretty easy. You can actuate it with one side or the other. So yeah, you can kind of do like one of these jobs. This is actually really nice. Yeah, it weighs like 2.3 ounces. It's like super duper light. This is super duper light. I like it. I like it a lot. Actually, really, really nice. Let's get this paperwork out of here. Check this out. So, very nice. I really like the clip. The clip's got some screws that sit a little proud. No big deal. Depends on your pockets, if that'll catch. Blade has a really nice profile. CPM 20 CV is the steel. Very, very sharp. I mean, he's got like a wicked edge on this. This is a really nice edge. Very nice edge on this. So, really cool knife. I really like the jimping on the back of the spine here. Very thin stock as well. Very thin stock here. Just a nice, very comfortable knife. Handle fits in my hand barely. A little bit overhang. Not bad at all, though. I don't mind it. This is actually really nice because of how light it is. So anyway, very cool knife. There's the Hogue Deca. Okay, and moving on. This one is A Gonzo Rat 1 clone. A Gonzo Rat 1 clone. He got this one for like 20 bucks. And G10 fiberglass. What the hell? 440C stainless steel. Some kind of G10 laminate thing. Some good weight to it, actually. And it doesn't say much more for the specs. But it's got a broad blade here. Looks good. Looks just like the other one. I mean, I've never really gotten the Rat 1 in hand. But this feels really nice, actually. For 20 bucks, that's like a steal. It's like a complete clone, right? Oh, okay. This has a bit of a detent to overcome. Centering, not quite perfect on this one. Fits my hand really nice, actually. This would be, I don't know, a pretty good EDC knife for the money. And then finally, the Rockstar, the one that I'm really interested in, the ZT0990. This is it. Very cool looking, futuristic, badass. On Smoky Mountain Knife Works, this was $252 when Josh purchased it. This also features a CPM 20CV steel blade, 3.25 inch blade. It's 4.4 inches closed. It weighs 2.9 ounces. Made in the USA. And this one I wanted to get a really good look at. Check it out. Carbon fiber. Same thing with the pocket clip here. Kind of proud screws there. No big deal, really. And check out like the way that this knife works. There's your flipper. Right there. Feels very nice in hand. Has really nice action. Has a small, kind of small handle. But you really have good, like you have a good grip on it. Kind of reminds me of this Hogue one in the sense that the handle's about the same size. Yeah, they're almost identical. This one, same thing. It fits my hand, but it's just barely on there. Same thing with the ZT. Very cool, though. I really like the grind on this. I like the belly. The whole sweep of the blade. Almost surgical, this kind of blade geometry. Very, very cool construction. Pretty badass, if you ask me. Nice cutout there. A couple of different ways to open this. You got a lock bar right there. And do you have an insert on your lock bar? Looks like ball bearings. Yep, these are ball bearings. Looks like ball bearings. Yep, nice action on this thing. This thing's pretty sweet, man. Thanks for giving me a look at this. And this is like, you know, EDC options from all different price points. I really like that. You know what I mean? Like you could spend, you know, like $150. You could spend 20 bucks. You could spend $250 and get what's right for you. I really do like this slip joint. This Macerin is really, really nice. If you guys are down for the giveaway, if this is it, just leave a comment below saying I'm down. Let me ask Josh and make sure that he was giving this away. If so, it's going to one of you guys. How cool is that? Very cool. So thanks for sending these in, bud, to give me a look. Out of all these, which one would I carry? Ooh, I don't know. It's hard to say. I really like this Hogue. This is a really cool knife. I mean, I would probably, I mean, just with that edge you have on it, too. I mean, this has such a wicked edge. Very nice. You can just tell it wants to cut. I would probably carry this Hogue, bud. And I believe he's selling a couple of these as well. He may be selling the Hogue and the ZT. I'm not really sure. If he is, I'll let you guys hash it out in the comments. Josh, clarify what you're selling out of this lot. And if somebody's interested, they'll comment under your comment. So other than that, man, I think I'd probably carry this Hogue Deca. This thing is really nice. Very, very, I don't know, just lightweight, centered really nicely. Very, very nice knife. The only thing is a little pricey for me. And if I were going to spend the extra money, why not on the futuristic looking ZT? Get something really cool. I don't know. I'd probably carry the Hogue, to be honest. So that's just me. That's my 2 cents. Thanks, buddy, for sending these in. I think they're really, really cool. Guys, everybody thank Josh in the comments. If you have a knife you want me to take a look at, go ahead and send it in. And I believe this one and this one may be for sale. So other than that, this one may be the giveaway as well. I'll clarify with Josh. I'll leave a pinned comment below. Just say you're down if you want to be in the giveaway. And that's it, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on 5 Minute Knives.